In our global webinar dated 27th of September 2025, Mr. Ash made a major announcement. Ash announced a transition from the previous business model, Onpassive, to a new platform called VictoryWithAsh. He confirmed that while Onpassive will remain open for communication, it is no longer operational for business activities. After consulting with experts, the decision was clear. Instead of patching up the old system, a new vehicle had to be created. VictoryWithAsh. It's important to note that this is not the dream business itself. Instead, it's designed as a transitioning platform to the new business. It'll be a training platform, which will equip and empower you to maximize your success with the new business. VictoryWithAsh will be a members platform where the information will be shared regarding the new business. There will be training and growth, building productive habits and goal settings, enhancing interpersonal skills. You will be taught modern marketing skills and personal branding. Mr. Ash talked about 3 crucial elements. Foundations you'll find in the VictoryWithAsh platform. Rise. Lift your expectations and believe in what can be built together collectively. Reset. And let go of old habits. Limitation beliefs that no longer serve that vision. Refocus. Channel your energy towards growth, learning, and shared success. Functionality of the communication and VictoryWithAsh platform. Mr. Ash said that constant updates, periodic live training with experts will be provided. There will be priority placement in VictoryWithAsh platform. Those who are in Onpassive will be given this privilege, but there will be an application to fill to qualify. An application will soon be posted in the ecosystem. It will contain 10 to 11 simple questions. Not a test, but a way to understand each member's input and commitment. Those accepted will then receive an invitation to join VictoryWithAsh platform, followed by a third-party KYC process. This ensures that only genuine, engaged individuals move forward. Ash also emphasized that this transition is not just about technology, it's about a shift in mindset and culture. He addressed the need to move away from old habits of entitlement and exaggeration, and instead embrace a culture built on personal responsibility, practical skills, modern marketing know-how. Goal setting and productivity members are encouraged to be coachable, adaptable, and attractive to others, qualities that will help them succeed in this new phase. These principles are designed to help every member align with the bigger vision. In summary, Ash's webinar marked a defining moment. Onpassive is no longer operational as a business, but VictoryWithAsh now opens the door to something greater. It is a bridge, a community, and a training ground, preparing qualified members for the dream business yet to come. With a renewed culture, innovative tools, and the spirit of the 3 R's, the vision is clear. Together we will rise, reset, and refocus, building a smarter, stronger, and more connected future.